p.m. Okay? Exactly. So, I would like for one of you to call the bus system and ask them to have a meeting to discuss expanding Lovers Lane. Two, the suicide prevention class is in July. I'm going to establish it. Now, it would be nice of one of the city commissioners to help me establish this suicide prevention class, because this is going to help a lot of people in this area, and it's going to get you votes. Two, another thing, the grant, what you need to do is depend on grants. That is the key. No, and I tried to get this town to do it with WKU, and WKU doesn't want to have a grant writing class. Okay, so I couldn't do it. But what you could have done is each department go to a grant writing class to teach them grant writing, because guess what? Grants is the key to save money. So, and the fire department, there should be, for bad weather, police officers are too busy with bad weather. So what they should do is have a fire department just for bad weather, just to make sure the cops have something, don't have to worry about don't have to worry about fraud when people are dealing with losing their lives in bad weather. So, that's all I want to talk about. So if you want to change the peddler license so people can afford it, give a discount to the bikers because they protect this area. If you want to help me, you know how to get a hold of me.
Time
and
has expired. Thank you very much.
I have a
Ms.
job.
Mullen, your time has expired.
I know, I
And
have a
there's
job.
No other comments, so we'll be closing the meeting tonight. Thank you for tuning in. Our next regular meeting is June 5th, 2018. Make sure to get out and vote on May 22nd. Right, Slim?
That's what I hear.